be. You know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
Hey guys, it's Mai Pham here, and here's my roommate Kansas. Since you guys always ask me,
we don't live in the same room.
Housemate. This is my housemate Kansas. Since you guys always ask me where the hell are my parents. And this is my locker. And today I'm going to be cleaning out my locker.
I can't believe it's the last day of school.
Yeah, so today's the last day of school. We were supposed to clean out our lockers yesterday, but then I was lazy and I sat at home. This is my locker. Whoever comes to this school, take this locker and you can say that you've had my locker, even though it's literally nothing special. Here's my locker comp. All right, 25, 55, 25. Boom. Here's my locker.
Oh, the easiest locker comp ever, I wish.
Kansas's jacket.
Yeah, you stole it.
I stole it from Kansas and she got really mad at me. This is from our Deans. It's a really good jacket, good quality. It's a size medium. Sponsor me, our Deans.
Mai, I'm not carrying your stuff.
Next we have this big thing. So whenever you have my cleaning my room videos, I have a trash bag where I can, yeah, autopilot that, be my slave. I have a trash bag where I can put our stuff. Even though I usually throw stuff on the ground, but like this is my school, so I can't do that. So I'm gonna show you guys my artwork I have. Oh frick. This is a pumpkin that I made in literally 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Everyone was so mad because you got better marks than me.
Yeah, and I didn't. Yeah, and I don't try art. This is my painting. Oh,
okay.
This is my realism picture. This is another picture. Oh shit, that's backwards. And then here we have this picture. I see my teacher. I see a teacher. Here I have some math. Here I have this hoodie, and Zaffle gave me it. So if you guys want things from Zaffle, like cool bikinis, use the code MaiPham with 2 M's and to get whatever. I don't even know what the % off is, but I have this leather jacket that I never wear.
Oh.
Ooh, yes, get it. Okay, sorry guys. Here's another yearbook.
Wow! Mai, you poked me. You know how much money you just wasted? You know how much money just went down the drain.
So here's my binder that I kind of stopped using because I just stopped caring about school.
You can twice of what they're worth.
Here's my science work. I got 27.5 out of 32. I'm pretty freaking smart. This is a microscope view of shatter. It's not.
Why do you have like 4 sheets for science?
Because I didn't keep my work. But anyways, I think I should keep this binder to save money and live better. Walmart, sponsor me. Oh, here I have my notes. These were the neatest I've ever written my notes in like my life. Like, look at these notes. Wow. Wow. Oh shit. People are gonna come out and they're gonna watch me vlog.
That was disgusting.
Everyone's coming. Okay, here we have some more pictures. Whatever, this is my last day of this.
Where's Jack? Okay, this is...
You're the one filming, you're not the one actually fucking talking to
yeah, but like,
camera, okay? Here I have a absence slip because I don't come to school.
Oh, I have like 20 in my binder, honestly.
Me and Kansas never come to school. We're vlogging.
Oh,
here's an index card. Here's a camera that I've kept in my locker.
I hate this. I hate this so much.
Film videos.
I'm so embarrassed. Why am I her friend?
You're my video officer.
No one knows why I'm her friend.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Look at all of her absence slips.
No, that's not all of them. That's
Kansas is a bad student.
I actually have to get to class.
This will be to be continued then. So here everyone is lifting desks while I'm not. I'm doing a lot of work. I'm a lot of help, guys. I already fell when I was trying to carry a desk, and I really don't know how to do this. So I'm gonna try not to fall again. And I dropped my phone, and it's heavy breathing because this is really hard. And I don't go to gym, so I don't get physical activity in. I'm really struggling.
Can you stop? I feel like an idiot.
I don't know if I should. Do I really want to clean it up? Okay, now I have to clean this up because I don't want to get in trouble. Here we have my Toronto Raptors hat. That was gonna be next. Oh, more absence slips, guys. Don't you just love when you're not at school? Holy fuck! Oh my god, I don't have a binder.
Like, so messy.
The rest of this is just trash, so I'm gonna trash all this math.
Okay, so listen to this bullshit. Mai has 30 absences in gym.
No, and I have like almost 40 something, and now I have a 74. but like 40 something absences with a 74.
40 something absences, and like she almost has a better grade than me, and I have 0 absences. I try so hard in gym.
I don't show up for gym because like, okay, when I talk on camera and I say that I fucking hate physical activity, I'm not joking. Like, I actually hate running, I hate walking. It hurts my legs physically and mentally. It makes me sweat. So here I have my last Kool-Aid. So you guys were asking why I stopped drinking Kool-Aid, and it's because Kool-Aid didn't sponsor me, so I didn't want to keep spending my money on Kool-Aid. So this is my last Kool-Aid that I will ever have in my life. Boycott Kool-Aid because they won't sponsor me. Okay, maybe not. Oh, we have a fucking spoon.
Ew, it's dirty.
Look at this. Just on this.
What?
This is shade disgusting. So next off, we have a bag of chips. These are my favorite chips in the whole entire world. I ate these yesterday actually. They're the Dutch Crunch Yo, Tia says me too. Tia says me too. These are so good. Old Dutch Foods, please sponsor me because I will promote the frick out of these chips. I was gonna say the F word, but then I was like, oh, that's so much editing. I'm not even putting it in the trash.
What?
I'm just putting it on top of the trash. Math that I didn't do. Here I have a lens that I should probably keep in more pristine condition, and maybe I'll use it to film a YouTube video one day. Okay, so down
You're
here.
not done.
Wait, what's in there? A pencil.
And you got like shit shoved in the corner.
Oh, frick, I have money. I'm $1.25 richer, bitches. I can go get chips with this shit. So this is where it gets really dirty. And you guys are gonna really make fun of me for it. There's old ass food, like containers and shit in here. And I'm not even gonna go through them. I'm just gonna throw them in the trash because I don't think I can stand looking at this. He is nodding for me to do it, but I'm gonna be so embarrassed doing this. I have a Rice Krispie thing. I have some Chips Ahoy. I have this Tupperware, it's not bad, it's not bad. And I have a Boston Pizza mint wrapper. I know, oh no, no, we're not looking through this, Tia. Ah. No. Okay, we have,
Oh my god, that stinks.
so like, this is some oatmeal or whatever. Okay, I'm trashing this, fuck that shit, I'm not opening it. There's some ranch, I'm throwing this shit away. These are probably like expensive Tupperwares. I don't care. Here I have a water bottle. I don't want to clean it. Oh, I do not want to show you guys what's in here. Okay, well, this is some sauce or some shit. That was old. Ew! Literally disgusting. I can't show this. Like, I actually can't. Turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. I can't.
Okay, I turned it off. What is that though? I
don't fucking know. I really don't know.
No.
Yeah. This whole bag is canceled. I should probably put things away. So like here I have a Sharpie because like I always get asked for autographs all the time. All the time. Like it's just like constantly just like you know? Like so
Oh fuck, it was blurry.
With the heart.
You got it on the ground.
Huh? No. It's not coming up. Oh, I'm gonna put it like here so that like the person that gets it next year, they can have my autograph. So people want to be in the vlog.
No, they don't.
Are we allowed to walk past?
Yeah.
See, they want to be in the vlog. I told you to.
She really wants to. Or she's like your biggest fan. Yeah, she watches your videos all the time.
I don't.
Except she hasn't posted in like months.
Yeah. As you can tell, I just really don't care about what people think about my YouTube in the school because if I did, I wouldn't be sitting on the ground cleaning my locker with someone recording me and talking to the camera.
But I'm the one getting fucking judged here.
No, you're not. You're the one recording. You're not the one talking to an inanimate object. Here's a balloon.
Ew, that was disgusting.
Let's bring it to the trash, guys. Or we just get a thumbnail of me like holding a trash bag and like next to the trash. You can end it now.
Okay, good.